Well, hey YouTube. Sorry for the delay in making a video. Work has been busy again, and I just haven't found anything. Up until the last couple weeks when we had bulk waste pickup. So, thought I would compare and contrast this year with last. Last year, if you don't remember, you can go look at my videos. I found some really nice mowers. Electric start, self-propelled. Trying to think offhand, I can remember about 6 that were really nice. Unfortunately this year, this is all that I found for bulk waste. None of them are self-propelled. Some of them are good, some of them aren't. I'll give you a quick look here. Contestant number 1 is a Hyper Tough. The Briggs 4.5 foot-pound gross torque dinky overhead valve engine. And this thing runs. It kind of sputters a little bit once it's warmed up. I'll try to show you that here today. I've checked the flywheel key, it's fine. I've cleaned the carburetor 2 or 3 times. Even used a different carburetor, it made no difference. Cleaned out the jet. Cleaned out the other jet, bored out the jet, and it still kind of has an issue. So it runs. I'm hoping to get it running even better and smoother. The deck looks good. The wheels don't wobble. It's not worth a whole lot, maybe 80 bucks, but if I can get it ship shape, I sure will try. So if anyone has any suggestions, feel free to share them. I replaced the spark plug with a good used one I knew worked fine. That didn't do it. I'm thinking I might switch out the coil magneto, see if that makes any difference. One other thing that was amusing when I found this mower, it had a piece of duct tape right here on the gas tank, which I've already thrown away, otherwise I'd show you. I peeled back the tape and there were 2 holes, almost as if like a person's dog bit the tank or something. They look like teeth marks. I have no idea what happened, but that made the gas go stale, made the carburetor and the jet get clogged up, and this thing wouldn't start for him. At least I'm hoping that's why he threw it away. Contestant number 2 is another 20-inch push mower. This is a Yard Machines 3.5 horsepower classic Briggs. Looks like it's a 2002. Came with an extra spark plug that may or may not be good. It looks like it's been sitting outside. The handlebars are droopy. And there's some kind of liquid in there. But our carburetor does not prime. but I did get it to sputter yesterday. I'll show you. So you never know, it might still be okay. Contestant number 3 is my personal favorite. A Craftsman 6.5 foot-pound gross torque, 21-inch cut with the Briggs & Stratton Quantum. I'm hoping they threw it away because the back wheels are shot. There's no bag with it, although it will fit one. I've already changed the oil in it and put some Lucas stabilizer in it. It's a ready start. I'm going to yank this carburetor off and give it to a friend. But before I do, I'll show you what it sounds like. When I first got it going, this thing smoked kind of bad, kind of had me worried. But since I changed the oil, it hasn't smoked any. So I'm hoping this engine is okay. There's no scoring in the cylinder. It runs fine. It runs very well since it's had an oil change. I think I have plans for this engine, probably in a later video. And contestant number 4. You might think is the best of all 4, but you would be wrong. When I found it, it had this cover on it, which looks like it has a brand new rope put in it, but I think the person did not wind it when they put it in. On top of that, this engine was seized. So I don't know why they bothered to replace the rope when the engine was locked up. So I tipped it upward, nose up, put some oil in the cylinder, and I got it freed up. But unfortunately for me, it's too little too late. I'll see if I can show you here today. It does run, but it knocks. In my hopes for having a good running newer Briggs engine, I just replaced the rewind with a spare that I have that ironically says Poulon. But unfortunately it's not going to stay on this engine. It's a real shame how some people don't take care of their equipment. I'm pretty sure it's not the blade, because I put a different one on. It does sound like it's hitting something under the deck. but with it being seized, I'm sure that sound is knocking, not the blade. So I'll keep the deck for something else, I guess. I might have an engine I can throw on there, but I can't sell it like this. Thought I'd show you the air filter for this Poulon. It is completely terrible. And I'm sure that's blow-by oil that's collected on there, but it is so thick it looks like this thing fell in a puddle of mud. There's no way this thing would breathe with that thing on it. Probably breathe through the crankcase and just suck more oil. Be my guess. So there are my fall bulk waste pickup trash find lawnmowers. It's kind of disappointing considering all the good stuff I found last year, and my finds this year were just ho-hum. But it was still fun. And like I said, I'm hoping the Craftsman to do something fun with that engine. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.